Coming to resources, so YouTube videos, there are a lot of free videos. YouTube is a free source, obviously available on YouTube. You can just type OET practice material or OET reading test, anything, and they'll have lots of videos for you. You can watch any of the videos. There is official OET website. They have a good collection of resources. There are some free resources available. Some sample letters will come to those on the website, and then they also have sample tests, sample letters, and then there are some paid resources on the OET website where they'll give you additional classes for each and every part of the exam, and you have to pay for those. So it'll be like a collection of videos and question sets that you can pay for and study accordingly, like your Usmle exam. So these are the resources. It's very common, it's very easily available, and a lot of those resources are free of cost. So you can just pay for the exam, right? And it's an Australian exam, so you have to pay in Australian dollars. And then the other thing can be, it's free of cost. And then, okay, coming to preparation, what I would suggest everyone to do is start with a mock exam, and that will be your baseline exam. So the OET official website has a lot of sample tests. So pick up any one test, that all 4 sections, okay? Listening, reading, writing, and speaking. And then they also have answer keys. So once you can do it on the same day, or you can do it one section each day. After you give your exam, they have answer keys. So check your exam. That will give you a very good idea of where you stand. Okay, so suppose you book a date 1 month from today or 2 months from today. What you're going to do is on the same day take a baseline exam. That will give you where you stand. It's a very good way to go about it. And if you did well on almost all 4 sections without any preparation, that means you're good to go. Even if you take the test the next day, you will definitely pass. So now that you've established that, you can plan your preparation accordingly. You can study in the last 3 weeks, 4 weeks, or last 2 weeks, depending on how confident you feel. And suppose if you take the mock test and you didn't do well, you didn't understand a particular section, because the sections also have, as we'll see ahead, some subsections. So if you're not confident, comfortable, then a mock exam will give you some idea about how much you need to prepare, right? So this baseline test is very important, and you have to take this test without any preparation. Just take a look at the format of the exam. There's the reading section has 3 subsections, the listening has 3 subsections, the speaking test has 2 parts. So this is a good way to go about it. Take a baseline mock test, and it is available on the OET official website.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.